Hey guys, Tank here. I decided to do a video series of tips and tricks that I've picked up along the way throughout the years, and here's one of them. Quick tip. When you're charging your batteries, if it's a 1500 milliamp or a 3-cell 2S, doesn't matter, make sure that if it's a LiPo, that when you go into selecting, you don't charge it there. You do go into balance charge. And if it's a 1500 milliamp, you put this at 1500 at 1.5 milliamp. You can go higher. It will charge faster, but it's going to be harder on the battery. What I like to do is whatever milliamps the batteries are, I charge it at the same amp. And then you can start charging the battery. Battery check. Start. And now we're charging the batteries at 1.5 amps. That's your quick tip of the day.